Real-world images of the Vivo X Fold 6 have surfaced online after the device was allegedly spotted in the wild. The images show a foldable phone in a striking blue-green finish with a large circular camera module on the rear. The device appears to retain Vivo's familiar design language while featuring a slim profile. The teaser image also offers a closer look at the Vivo X Fold 6 inner display, compared to last year's Vivo X Fold 5. Several reports have claimed that Vivo will announce the Vivo X Fold 6 foldable phone in June in China. The Vivo X Fold 6 will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 flagship chipset. The Fold 6 is also expected to feature a 200MP camera, feature a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera, alongside dual 20-megapixel selfie cameras, and features an 8.03-inch AMOLED inner display and a 6.53-inch AMOLED cover screen, both with 120Hz refresh rate, up to 4500 nits peak brightness, and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The foldable is also tipped to pack a sizable 6900 mAh battery, with 80W wired and 40W wireless charging. The X Fold 6 is expected to be a major competitor in the 2026 foldable market, focusing on camera advancements and refined performance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.